Hey, what's up? My name is Robin. Today I'm gonna walk you through how to play Pressure, Koffee, featuring Buju Banton. This is a very manageable song, so if you're a beginner, you should be able to play this song. Well, as always, if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube. Plus, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, without aside, let's kick off right after this. This song is in the key of D sharp and the progression is 6, 3, 2. So there's a progression for the intro, and then after the intro there's another progression now for the verse, chorus. So the intro is 6, 3, 2. You'll play this 6, 3, 2 twice, and then you start on the major chord progression of the song, which is 6, 3, 2, 6, 3, 2, 6, 3, 2 times 3, 6, 3, 2, then 4 and 3. So namely, these are chords. This is C minor chord, G minor chord. So this C minor chord, you can C minor chord, G minor chord. So you can either play G minor chord from here, or you can play the bar form of G minor chord. And then the chord that follows is this is F minor chord. So C minor, G minor chord, F minor chord, and then G sharp major chord, and back to G minor chord. So that's how you will play this song. On holding these chords, the C minor chord, I'm using my pointer finger on the 3rd fret, barring string 1 to 5, and then my middle finger on string number 2, 4th fret, my ring finger on string number 4 on the 5th fret, and my small finger on string number 3 on the 5th fret, C minor chord. The chord that follows is G minor chord, so I'm using this form of minor chord. So I'm using my pointer finger to bar string number 1 to 3, and then my ring finger on string number 4, but on the 5th fret. So this is a minor chord, G minor chord. So you can either play it here or the bar form chord of it, which you bar the 3rd fret with your pointer finger, and then with your ring finger you play string number 4 on the 5th fret, and small finger string number 4 on the 5th fret too. So ring finger is string number 5. The chord that follows is F minor chord. So I'm playing this form of F minor. So I am using my pointer finger to bar. This is the 8th fret with my pointer finger. My middle finger string number 2, and then my string number 2 on the 9th fret. My ring finger string number 4 on the 10th fret, and my small finger string number 3 on the 10th fret. So that's F minor chord. And then you have this other chord over here, which is G sharp major chord. So G sharp major chord, pointer finger, 4th fret, barring across string 1 to 6. Then my middle finger is on string number 3, fret number 5. My ring finger, string number 5 on the 6th fret, and my small finger, string number 4 on the 6th fret. So this is a G sharp major chord. So those are the chords that are in this song and comprise, you know, the major form, the major part of this progression or of the song. So again, the intro is C minor, G minor, F minor. So you play this twice. You play now the major part of the song, which is so that's how you will play this song, and that's the tutorial. So as always, you know, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know in the comment area. Plus give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to the channel. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next one.